Welcome to Haddon Hill. We're in the southeastern corner of Exmoor National Park. We're just tucked underneath Wimbleby Reservoir in an area of the National Park known as the Brendan Hills. Haddon Hill's quite small in comparison with other areas of moorland. It runs east-west and it's about 650 acres. There's a trig point at the highest point that's over 1,000 feet, and it's surrounded by a wonderful mosaic of heather moorland. The facilities here at Haddon Hill are excellent if it's your first venture into the countryside. We're very close to a place called Bampton, and Dalton is just a little bit further to the west. We have a great car park here, which is very easy to get to. There's toilet facilities here and a limited amount of shelter. One of the wonderful things about Haddon Hill is that on a day when the weather isn't so good, you can make the most of it and have a good day out. The learning inquiry that comes with the Moorland Classroom is a circular walk. It goes from here in the car park up to the trig point. It's a short walk and you gradually climb for a fantastic view at the top. The beauty of bringing children here is that they will feel as if they've been on a marathon and a huge expedition, whereas actually the circular is only a couple of miles and they'll have a lot of fun and feel as if they've been out into a real bit of wilderness.
Haddon Hill is all about being a moorland detective. We'd like you to help us find out, who is Haddon Hill really for? Probably the first thing you need to do is work out the clues. We've provided maps so you can look at how this land is used. There's plant guides so you can be detectives again, looking at what vegetation is here. There's also loads and loads of animals and clues for you here to work out what lives here. If you're lucky enough to come here, it's a great place for doing some quadrat analysis where you can explore a range of different habitats. While you've got your detective hat on, we'd like you to think about another question as well. Haddon Hill is surrounded by beautiful valleys, but one of them is full of water. Why was that one chosen? What is all that water used for? When I was a lad in the 1970s, that valley just had a small stream in it. By using our resources, you can see how the dam was built. Haddon Hill is all about change, in the past, now and in the future.